So there have been a lot of comments in my videos about how to make millions of coins when you're a beginner and when you don't have that much coins. So that's exactly what I'm gonna explain in today's video. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So I make some videos about how to make coins, but when I do that, you almost always need to have some coins to make even more coins. That's the only way you can make like a whole lot of coins in FIFA Mobile. But now I'm gonna show you how you can make coins when you're a starter, when you're a beginner, and when you don't have that much coins. So yeah, hopefully you are excited for it. As I said, first method is to go ahead and pretty much play events. As you can see, we've got a couple of events right now. First of all, what you need to do is go into daily training. In daily training, every single day, you can get coins. For example, today we've got this PSG match, and you should play the third match all the time as well. Because in the first and second one, you're gonna get 10 and 15,000 coins, but from the third one, you're gonna get 20,000 coins every single day. You can play it 3 times, so you're gonna get 60,000 coins daily, as well as you can go ahead and watch an ad to get extra daily training. And if you go into the rewards, you can see that you can go ahead and spend those coins, spend your points, daily training points, into coins as well. So for 5 daily training points, you can get 80,000 coins. Every day you can get 3 daily training points and then convert them. Whenever you get 5, you can go ahead and convert them into 80,000 coins. Or you can go ahead and open this pack if you want to, or this pack, but I wouldn't really suggest it. I think going with coins is the best choice if you want the most coins possible. Also, as I said, all the events like League Tour. In League Tour, by playing the skill games, you're not gonna get any coins, as you can see right here, but you're gonna get league tour points, tokens, sorry, which is quite important because you can go and open some of these packs right here. For example, for 25 league tour points or tokens, I can open Elite Plus player pack, and you can go and sell those elite players, as well as if you want to, you can go and claim these cards. For example, when you get 240 in some time, you can go and claim Diakhaby, and he's worth 600k right now. Bam. Let's go ahead and test out. I'm just gonna go ahead and open an elite pack, and we've got 83 overall Dembele, 75,000 coins, just like that. You can go ahead and almost always sell these basic cards as well. So that's another way. Also, we've got other events, of course. We've got Team of the Week. Team of the Week is a very good one because every day you can go ahead and play the skill games. It's just a couple of skill games, 3 skill games, as well as 1 match at the end. Or if you have 6 Team of the Week players in your team, you can go and just play 1 match. If you don't, though, that's not a problem because you can still do it quite easily, and you're gonna be able to get some coins from that. 25,000 coins from each skill game. No, 25,000 coins from the first one, 25,000 coins from the third one, and after that you can go ahead and open a Team of the Week pack, 8 plus Team of the Week pack. You got a chance to even pack like one of the main players. For example, this week we've got Cristiano Ronaldo, Heung-min Son, and make a lot of coins that way as well. If you don't pack one of the best ones, for example, Ronaldo, he's 8 million coins, as you can see. If you pack somebody that's terrible, Mafuta, you're still gonna make some coins, right? 60,000 coins, but you got a chance to pack somebody great. If you don't want to actually open that pack and want guaranteed 100,000 coins, you can go and do that by paying 7,500 Team of the Week points for that as well. Also, we've got Heroes Journeys and the Icon Journeys. In Heroes Journey, whenever you go ahead and play this, you're gonna get hero points, and with that hero points, you can open these packs, 85 plus overall base hero player packs. And if you go ahead and complete it fully and get enough super scores, you can get hero keys to then go ahead and complete one of these players. If you are a complete beginner, you're not going to be able to play these matches, and you're not going to be able to get one of these 110 overall player. But if you play the game for a little bit, you will be able to, and you can get even more coins. There are challenges, there are matches you can play, skill games, and an exchange at the end to go ahead and get a player and get even more coins from that. Then we've got the Icon Journey as well. If you haven't completed Icon Journey yet, make sure to do that as well because you're getting some good amount of coins there. From Nation, as you can see, you can get 100,000 coins, 150, 200k, all the way to 400k, and at the end 88 overall Carlos Puyol, who is not worth that much anymore. But as I said, you're getting quite a few coins from League as well. You obviously need to reach their requirements though. For example, for the last match in League, you need 95 overall team with 11 Premier League players. If you can't do it, or if you can't do it all, And if you go for this one, for example, you just need 88 overall team with 2 Premier League players, which is not that big of a deal, and you can get 400,000 coins. Same thing with team right here at the end, you're gonna get 96 overall Casillas, who is once again not worth that much, but you can get a whole lot of coins along the way as well. 500k, 200k, 750k, 1.5 million, 2.5 mil that way. As well as right now we've got UCL event. When you're watching this video, you might see some other events, but right now we've got UCL event. In the UCL event, you can't actually pack, mostly you can't pack players that are worth a lot of coins because most of them are untradeable, but you can go ahead and put those players in these exchanges whenever you get enough, and open, for example, this pack where you need 8 101 to 102 overall players, and you're gonna get cards that are actually tradable and that you can actually sell. So that's not bad at all as well, and you're gonna get a lot of cards. You're gonna get a lot of 101 102 overalls, 106 overalls for this pack as well, and yeah, that's definitely not bad. Also, other than events, how you can make coins is in the star pass. If you want to go and pay for the star pass, that's your choice. If you don't want to though, you can still make quite a few coins from the star pass. As you can see here, we go 150,000 coins, again 150,000 coins, 150k, and along the way you're gonna get a lot of coins. 200k now, then it's gonna be 300k, as you can see at the end. And pretty much you can go on and complete the star pass every single time there is a new star pass. Free-to-play players can complete them fully, and it's not a problem. You can get a lot of coins that way as well, even if you don't buy the star pass. Also, to go and complete the star pass, you need to complete quests, daily quests, and you can get some coins that way as well. Obviously, by watching an ad every day in the daily quest, you're gonna get 4,000 to 15,000 coins. That's not a lot, but from the weekly rewards, you're still gonna get some coins as well, 50,000, 20,000, and 5,000. But most importantly, you're gonna get star pass points to then go ahead and hopefully get as much coins as possible. Also, make sure to check your team as well. Make sure to check your club. You might have some players, some cards that are going for quite a few coins, and it's just sitting there and you don't really need them. For example, there are like a lot of 80, 81, 82 rated cards that you can go ahead and sell, just like I'll go right now. 82 overall Jimenez right here, I can go ahead and sell them, list them up, and you're most likely gonna sell them. There is Musiala right there as well. There are not a lot of people trying to sell these cards. We've got Mario Hermoso right here, 80 overall. He's worth 227,000 coins, and I can go on and get 227,000 coins way very easily that way. I've got 98 overall Willock right there, and I can go ahead and sell him. So let's go ahead and claim coins from Mario Hermoso right here. He sold, so we got 24k that easily right here. And also if you have some gold players that you don't need as well, obviously try to sell them. If they're selling, try to sell them. But if you go like 70, 71, 72 overall gold players that are not selling in the market, for example, let's go ahead and check some of my players. I've got this card. If you can sell them, as I said, make sure to sell them. But if you can't sell them, then all you need to do is go into the exchanges and go into foundation, and as you can see, you can go and put 5 of those 70 plus overall players in and get easy 50,000 coins that way as well, as you can see right here. So that's another very easy way to make coins. Here I wouldn't really suggest this one because getting 200,000 coins from 5 elite players is not great, but this one is not bad. If you have some cards, as I said, that you can't sell, some gold players, this is not a bad pack to open. So yeah, that's pretty much it with today's video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.